What up, everyone? Goldilocks here. So basically, I'm gonna start by dropping the fluids out of it, coolant, oil.
Lovely. Anybody want a milkshake? Look at that shit. Take out your torque converter bolts, because we're dropping it down as an assembly. The engine and transmission is coming down on the subframe together. So you remove the torque converter housing and torque converter bolts, so that way when it's on the ground, it's not hard to get that stuff off to get the engine and the transmission separated.
Torque converter bolts. It's 3 of them. They got some Loctite on them. They might be these might be reusable. I'm not sure. It looks low. I hate these things so much. Good morning. We're back at the shop. Let's just finish where I left off yesterday. And that is removing the hose from the air condition AC compressor. Just gotta take the lines off. That's where I'm gonna start it.
You just turn this and pull the pins out. Well, that one pops off. I have to go over here behind this engine control, this module, and this wiring harness runs down underneath of it and into the back of the firewall over there. So there's 3 connectors inside, right through the pass-through. There's 3 connectors in there past the pass-through that I have to disconnect and pull through the pass-through, and then take all this wiring harness and lay it on top of the engine. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I guess I'll take y'all in the car with me. I'm gonna go ahead and move this module out of the way, and then undo the pass-through. And put y'all back up here. Let me show you guys real quick. So I just took this module out, and that little pass-through right there is what we need to get, because that harness, let me see if I get it right there. That harness runs over that way. That's part of the engine harness. And all this is coming off with the engine, so we're laying it on top of here. Let me go in here. Excuse me. Gotta unlock it. I love the P-tops, man. I cannot wait. Damn, they weren't lying when they said there's a big ass hump right here. Okay, right, so I have to take this out. Sorry, this one, and this panel should come down. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. That's pretty cool. I got good luck for this car. I'm gonna sit him right there. That's pretty cool. I need some good luck. Blue, black, and white. These 3 right here. What up, y'all? Goldilocks here. I got my little sister here. We're gonna get ready to work on the Camaro. I'm gonna get ready to go in here and check out, show y'all what I got going on. What the fuck? Oh my god, she's a goofball. She's a goofball. But yeah, we're here with the Camaro today. Fucking nut. But only got a little bit left to pull out on this. Couple of minor things I gotta unbolt. Service information is saying they want you to take the shock off through here, down here. But that'll be a pain in the ass. I'm talking to the camera, not you. Sorry. That'll be a pain in the ass to try to lower the car back through the steering knuckle up here. Hang on, let me get y'all light. I'm talking to you too, so you can
Yeah.
But so lowering the car down, it's going to be a pain in the ass to get the shock and the strut through the control arm down here. So we are going to disassemble it from up here and drop the shock down with the engine and all of that. So that's what we're going to do. So all 4 of them. All 4 of these, 2 nuts and 2 bolts have to come off on each side. And the subframe is still connected to the body of the car, so it's not going to fall. So the bolts, nuts are 15. It looks like the bolts are 18. Oh, that's hot. Here, I can hold it. It's hot. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I have a bucket in here somewhere. Okay, 11/16, and it's this side 11/16. No, this side it looks like. What the hell the fuck? How the fuck am I gonna get on that boat? It's right next to another boat. Oh shit! That one right there? Yeah. Oh what? They're like dead next to each other. How does that even work? Because that motor mount's fucked up. Let me try to go get it dead man. This pan is soft metal. Soft metal. You stick this on there, it's gonna bend it. Really? Put a bit of black wood on there, it's soft. Oh, okay. Pan. Oh, okay. And I'm just doing this to see if I can lift this. Yep. The motor mount's bad. You can see how that nut's lifting away from the other one. And you can sort of see the rubber and that motor mount is cracked too anyway. So 15 on one side and 11/16 on the other side. It's because engine oil is obviously oil-based. Yeah. And antifreeze is 50% water. Water, yeah. I remember Mr. Moore's class. Mr. Moore's class was so cool. He was a cool teacher. Yeah, Mr. Moore was pretty badass. Yeah, really? Some little headlights. Yeah, those style, I actually like them more than the round ones. The ones that we passed in the tunnel, that was like a 98. That was the newer style one, had the oval headlights. Okay, they're little baby ones. That's what Detroit would say. Yeah, you gotta get them suckers just right too. Cause I know Mr. Moore told me, you got to put it up, lift the car up, you gotta do that right too, because if you do it on the frame, you can fuck your shit up. Yeah, you gotta do it on the right lift point. Yeah, if it's a unibody, you have to make sure you're on the pinch well and the proper lift point. Cause yeah, you can fuck your shit up. Yeah. Or other people's stuff. Yeah, you can bend the body all around. You don't want that. No. Yeah. This spark is down here. You can't get it wet. Or you'll be, we'll have to shit this thing out of there. Ew. Oh yeah, you can't get the oxy spark wet. Or what happens? It won't work. Oh damn. That's a lot of money. I hope I didn't get it wet. Oh damn. Okay. No, it's dry. It's a little wet. But this is the oxy spark right here, where the plugs go up to. Oh, okay. Inside. I see you over there. Ooh. I just did this myself!
Shit. What's up, everyone? So I want to thank you guys for being so patient and waiting for me to edit these videos. I finally got them done, and I want to especially thank Mini Truck Mommy for giving me a few pointers, because she really did help me out making this video a little shorter and gave me a lot of pointers for that. So thank you, Mini Truck Mommy.
She's awesome.
Yeah. You know you stand in front of Alexa.
Oh.
It's okay. But I got some more surprise videos for y'all coming, and I just got my other Camaro today, so yes, that's coming too.
Oh, I got some pictures that I took with you. I'll do